Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Your Beauty. And yes, we are staring at a door. I just wanted to give you guys a quick dining room tour because I haven't posted in a while. Uploaded a video in a while, posted in a while. That's funny. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Let's get started. So I'm going to give you an overview of the dining room. A lot has changed with the parts that you guys did see, which was just in front. But here it is. So we're not going to give you the living room, which I did give you a snippet of it, because the living room has actually been updated. So I'm going to show you guys that in another video. So the first thing is, you guys have seen this mural that I created when I did my second living room tour. And what I added was this shelf from, this bookshelf from Overstock. And also this rug. This rug is from Ross. Of course, we know I love Ross. So the shelf was $175, something like that. The only thing that I would say is it's not really gold. It's like a mustard gold. So if you're looking for the camera is showing it gold. It's really not. So if you're looking for a gold shelf, this is not it, because you're gonna get it and it's like kind of mustard color. Everything on the shelf is from Ross, of course. I have these elephants and they're facing the wrong way because with the tusk up, they should be facing east for good luck. On the second shelf, I have this vase. This is from Ross. Of course, my birthday was a few days ago, so that's a card from a friend of mine. That's from Ross. The Frida Kahlo, y'all know. That book was from Ross. This candle holder was from Ross. This vase, this was from Marshall's. He was from Ross. And then of course these plates were from Ross that hold all of my crystals. Let's see. Those those candles were from Ross, and the candle holders, the candle, the globe, Ross, and everything down there, Ross as well. The plant was from TJ Maxx. So the curtains are very long, but it's summertime, so I had to put an air conditioner in the window. These are from Overstock. I'll show you how long on the other side. I just had to tuck it up. The table. The table is actually, the console table is actually, it was my daughter's and we swapped. I think she got this from TJ Maxx. The rug is from Ross. Lamps, Ross. Then I added a tray and put this plant on there with my Alexa. And then over in the corner, that is the other curtain, and it is very long, actually too long. You can see it over there on the floor. I had to cut it a little bit. These are my plants. That's Benson. Okay, there you go. That is Benson. No, that's Charlie, and that's Benson, and they've grown very much so. So then I added that mirror. It came from, I think, Ross, and also that plant, that faux plant. Charlie and Benson are the only ones that's real. That came from Ross as well, because I probably could not keep any other plants alive. This table, it's a 6-seater table. It's like I don't even know what color this is, but I bought the table before I decided to stick with the black and white color scheme, but I love the table anyway. And I also matched it up with these placemats that came from Ross as well. The rug was from a local furniture shop. The table, if I didn't mention, was from a local furniture shop. And then you guys saw this area, but it wasn't painted when you saw it. And I created this mural. Let's back up a little bit so you guys can see it. It's over there. That's the whole wall. So you guys can see it. It took me 4 days. And then I added, I think everything was here. This mirror was over there on my first living room tour. You're more than welcome to go back and watch that one as well. Please do. And then I moved it over here. So everything on the bar cart is the same. So when I created this mural, I wanted to add a shelf. So this shelving unit came from Ross. And she is from TJ Maxx. He is from Ross. And this is from Target. So then the kitchen is over there, which I'll get to. And then this is my beauty room. If you haven't seen that tour, please feel free to go watch it. So let's start in that section over there in that corner. I have a new puppy, so that's his cage. It's gonna stay there. This is my little zen area. This table was actually from Ross, this console table. It was brown. I spray painted it black. As you guys know, I'm notorious for spray painting things. So don't let that keep you from purchasing anything. So this Buddha head, which is probably hard to see because it's black velvet, that came from Ross. And then you have this faux lavender plant. I don't even remember where that came from. But that is from TJ Maxx. And then you have a couple of books, a few books that I've been reading. The book ends came from Ross. My incense holder. And then this Buddha, he also came from Ross. And then of course the TV. And the chandelier. So the chandelier came from Home Depot. I'm gonna turn it on for you guys so you can see it. It is very, very pretty. And it shows like these little bubbles inside. I absolutely love it. It just ties everything in to the table. I have this Lazy Susan from Thanksgiving that I spray painted black. I need a battery for my smoke detector, so I left it there. I have more than one smoke detector, so no worries. Oh, I forgot to show you guys over here the heads that I purchased from Ross. So the first one, which was this one, I saw him one day and I was just like, okay, I can't put him anywhere. Then the next day I came into Ross and I saw this one and then I put them together. So I love them sitting over in the corner. They're actually quite big. And then these two paintings, both of them were white and I spray painted one of them black, of course. That's the beauty room. And then if you back up, these three paintings here, these three came from Ross. They were actually white and I spray painted these two black and then left that one white. And then I'm gonna give you another overview. Try not to give you the living room because that's a whole separate video. It has definitely changed. And you did get a little snippet of it. And yeah, I don't think I forgot anything. Just wanted to come on here and give you guys a quick dining room tour. And I will be posting a updated living room tour soon. I'm sending you guys lots of love. Till next time, thanks for watching. Bye.